What is good, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Had my buddy drop me off an engine hoist, so I appreciate that. Now we just need to hook this up, which I already pretty much have it hooked up. One bolt right over there for the front, one bolt over there in the back. I got just about everything taken out, disassembled. All my accessories and stuff are over there. I got most of, if not all of the bell housing bolts out. I think I got one on this side, one on that side. Just gotta take out this clutch fork pin. The plan for today is literally just to get this motor out and start to tear it apart and see why we have no compression, what's going on, and just the motor tear down, pretty much. Hope you guys are all having a good day. This thing is super annoying to take out if it hasn't been done before. It should just slide right out, just like that. Sometimes though, you don't get that lucky and it gets seized in there, or God forbid, the bolt that you use to take it out might break off in there. Doing a bad job of recording. Let me get this fucking light. Got it out though. It's pretty easy, pretty quick. I got Jake and Cam over. They gave me a hand just getting it out real quick. Now it is time to disassemble and see what's going on with this 2.5. It seems like I got a bunch of visitors.
Kill myself.
What happened there, money? Yeah, that's crazy work, brother. Imagine trying to drive home like that. Bit of a scattered video, kind of getting back into the swing of like recording again. But as you see, motor is out. The oil didn't look bad. I didn't see any shiny flakes in there, so I'm hopeful that it's just me having to like replace heads. Time to see what damage there really is. Honestly, I'm not gonna reuse these, so I'm just gonna...
They're one-time use, buddy.
Yeah, some people reuse them.
Because they're dumb.
That's why they all blow up.
I'm not gonna say who.
Ain't too bad. That's a little shitty right there in that corner.
No scoring though, right? I can still see.
I don't see any scoring.
I
can still see cross hatching.
Yeah, those heads look really new.
Yeah, they look good. Pull that fucking cover off, motherfucker.
Okay, I'm sorry, I'm doing it. Okay. You may be asking yourself, wow, Jacob, what did you do to get yourself in this situation again?
Everything.
Didn't you just do this last year? Well, the difference is, last year when I did this, I didn't have to. I just did it because I heard some noise. I was in a position where I was able to, like, you know, diagnose and potentially change out stuff. So that's kind of what I did. And this time, I am being forced to because
Top left.
My car wants. Oh, this one?
Nope, other way.
It's been a weird day, guys. All right. Cut me some slack here.
No.
There we go.
Said I need about 40. Pull up to the party. Yeah. Got stuff, shorty.
You're shaking me. Stop.
Yeah. Dude, you have a 5 head.
Yeah, you got a fucking 9 head, bro.
Don't jerk. Just. There you go. There you go.
Shut up.
That's what she said.
Got a noisy
Alright,
one.
now put a gun on it.
Boom. Are they not all over? Yeah, they are.
There's a blowout right there.
There it is.
Cylinder wall looks okay.
Yeah, that's good.
These are bad. Do not reuse.
Never reuse. Short block should be good.
Yeah.
Short block
I
good.
think it looks great.
I just need heads. I just need
new-
heads.
I got new fucking.
We all need head, bro.
motor.
We all need heads.
Yeah, boy.
Figure out why there was no compression though. You said this right here.
Right there.
That's a blowout, yeah.
Even on the back side of this is beautiful on the back side of this.
Yeah.
On the back side of this. Looks okay. Not horrible. The blowout's right there.
Cylinder 4, no compression, head gasket, needs a head gasket.
Exactly why.
Wow, woo, wee, woo. Wow, wow, look at that, look at that. What a Subaru thing. Wow, It's honestly insane to me. I've had this car for like 4 or 5 years, something like that. and I've learned a lot. I've done a lot. I've pulled this like 3 times. I've never necessarily had to. It's always been, well, except for one time, but we're not gonna talk about that. I've never had the infamous head gasket problem. I mean, I'm happy that that was the only real problem that we found. I'm still gonna go through and see if there is anything else. Obviously, I gotta clean up all this nasty carbon that's on here, but these don't look bad. They look like they're still good. No contact on them or anything. They just have to be cleaned. So my short block is good. My heads are honestly probably still good. I'm still gonna get new ones. I'm still gonna do like a nice, good rebuild and take my time with it and do it right. Everyone's gone now. I cleaned up, so I'm kind of just chilling now, playing some Car X, and I may or may not get some more of this cleaned up and done tonight. But that is all I had for you guys. I appreciate y'all for watching, and welcome back to another rebuild. Peace out, you guys, and I will see you in the next video, which will be at Wicked Big.